Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Coding Tamlan. So in this video we are discuss about the error called OpenCV FFMPEG tag of some number and cross 264 is not supported. So basically this error coming from the format of the file. Because using the MP4 format file means this error is regularly came in the OpenCV format. We check the code is called Cv2.videowriter fourcc. Now go to the file properties. Okay, so we are changing the MP4 format to AVA format. Okay, so once we change the AVA format means it will easily recognized. Cv2.videowriter 4cc is supported in the mostly in the AVA format only. So I changed the code also detections.avi, and then I also change the name. Wait, okay, so now I run the code cmd. So actually there is a format for to run the code for me. So if you are using the any other code means just python file name .py is fine. I'm using one of the detection project, so I'm using this format. Okay, it's running. It takes some time because it is an MP4 file, sorry, AVA file. It checks the all the datas. Okay guys, it's running. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.